Good morning everyone. So this is part 2 video of your chapter chemistry, chapter number 1. So today I am going to discuss about the kinetic theory of the particles. Okay. So what is a kinetic theory? As in physics, you have learned in class 9 about the motion. What is a motion? You can learn in the chapter physics. So means the particle which are constantly moving as compared to the stationary object, that is known as motion. So if you can see the three different particles like the matter, like solid, liquid and gases, means the particles of the matter are constantly in motion or movement. That property is known as the kinetic theory. Okay, so what is the kinetic theory? According to kinetic theory of matters, the particles of the matter are in continuous in motion and movement. Okay, so now I am just discussing about the which particle is in more motion, which particle is very less motion. Okay, so here I have written 3 points. The first point is that the space between the particles. If we can go through this diagram, you can find very easily that the space in solid is very less as compared to gases. Okay, means the gases has more shape than the liquid than the solid. So here you can see that the space is solid is less than liquid and less than the gases. Now the force of attraction between the particles. Now how can I told that this particle is solid, this particle is liquid, this particle is gases? That property is known as the cohesive property or the properties of cohesion or the force of attraction. हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं पार्टिकल सॉलिड है, ये लिक्विड है, गैसेस है? वो डिपेंड करता है उनके फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के बीच में. तो जैसे कि देख सकते हैं, द पार्टिकल्स आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर, मीन्स द इंटर बिटवीन द फोर्सेज बिटवीन द टू पार्टिकल्स इज मच मोर एज कम्पेयर टू द लिक्विड. फॉर दैट रीजन इफ यू सेपरेट आउट यू कैन नीड मोर फोर्सेज. आपको अगर एक पार्टिकल को सेपरेट करना मतलब आप सॉलिड से लिक्विड बनाना है तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फोर्स देना पड़ेगा. ओके, मीन्स द फोर्स अट्रैक्शन इन सॉलिड इज मच मोर देन लिक्विड देन द गैसेस. मतलब गैसेस सबसे कम फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होता है. Okay, here you can see that the solid is a greater sign. The force of attraction in solid is much more than liquid and much more than the gases. Okay, next, amount of movement of particles. So how can the movement occurs? If there is space, the particle can move very very easily. Okay, here you can see that the space on gases is much more as compared to solid and the liquid. Means the particles of the gases are moved very very easily as compared to the liquid as compared to the solid. हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि गैस का पार्टिकल वो इजिली मूव करता है. अब एक एग्जांपल देख सकते हैं. अगर आप कोई भी इंसेंस स्टिक में अगरबत्ती को एक कॉर्नर में रूम में लगा देंगे, sometime you can see that the smell, the fragrance of the incense stick can come to your nose or everywhere in the room, क्योंकि पार्टिकल्स जो होता है गैसेस का वो हमेशा मूव करते रहते हैं. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन से द सॉलिड, द मूवमेंट इज वेरी लेस एज कम्पेयर टू लिक्विड एज कम्पेयर टू द गैसेस. ओके, नाउ डिफ्यूजन मैंने बताया था आपको डिफ्यूजन के बारे में. द इंटरमिक्सिंग ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेस ड्यू टू मोशन ऑफ दिस पार्टिकल इज कॉल्ड अ डिफ्यूजन. So here is another definition. The intermixing of particles are two different types of matter on their own. Matter के बीच में जो movement होता है, they are intermixed with each other. This type of motion is known as the diffusion. Okay. So the rate of diffusion is the faster in gases and slowest in solid. Why the rate of diffusion is faster in gases? You can see here the diagram. Because the particle can mix very very easily because there are more spaces between them, whereas the less space, the diffusion is very very less. Okay, now if you want to increase the rate of diffusion, the first thing is that if you increase the temperature, the rate of diffusion increases. अगर आप temperature बढ़ा देंगे तो diffusion का process वो जल्दी होना start हो जाता है. Okay, so our next topic is the unit of temperature. What is the temperature? Temperature is nothing but it can measure the body part. So you know that the thermometer can measure the body part temperature. So what is temperature? The hotness and coldness of a body is known as the temperature. The common unit of temperature is degree Celsius. As we know that the unit of distance is meter, kilometer. The unit of time is second. Like the temperature also have the unit, and that unit is known as the degree Celsius, or we can say the degree centigrade also. Now the SI unit of measuring temperature is the degree Kelvin. This is the normal unit. This is the SI unit. It is the degree Kelvin, Kelvin. The temperature another unit that is known degree Fahrenheit. Now as you all know that the boiling point of water is about 100 degree Celsius. Means आप जब पानी का टेम्परेचर 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पहुंच जाएगा, जब बोल सकते हैं कि पानी हमारा उबलना स्टार्ट हो गया. So here is one important point, that it is the 0 degree Celsius is same as the 273 degree Kelvin. अब सेल्सियस स्केल और केल्विन स्केल में अगर जाएंगे कंपेयर करेंगे, 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस का जो वैल्यू होता है वो 273 डिग्री केल्विन से सेम होता है. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव वन इंपॉर्टेंट फार्मूला, दैट डिग्री केल्विन इज इक्वल्स टू डिग्री सेल्सियस प्लस 273. आपको केल्विन निकालना होगा, ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं. और यू कैन यूज ऑल्सो दिस फॉर्मूला, दैट डिग्री सेल्सियस इक्वल्स टू डिग्री केल्विन माइनस 273. Now here I am using some example. So convert the degree Celsius to Kelvin. Here I am using here I am having two questions, that is degree Celsius to convert to degree Kelvin. The first question is that degree 100 degree Celsius. Now we know the formula, that degree K is equal to C plus 273. Just put the value of 100 degree Celsius in degree C. I am just putting 100 degree plus 273, it becomes 373 degree Kelvin. Okay, next bit I am just doing here, degree K is equals to degree C plus 273. Degree Celsius is given, that is minus 273 plus 273 minus plus minus, so it becomes 0. Okay, our next question, convert degree Kelvin to degree Celsius. So here given first thing is that the first is that 73 degree Kelvin, the second question is 200 degree Kelvin. Now we know the formula, that degree Celsius equals to degree K minus 273. So I am just putting using the formula and just putting the value here, 73 degree K minus 273, it become minus 200 degree C, that is Celsius. Okay, next second bit, degree C is equals to डिग्री के माइनस 273. आपको यह वैल्यू दिया होगा, आपको जस्ट वैल्यू पुट करना है. जैसे कि डिग्री केल्विन आपको दिया है 200 माइनस 273, इट बिकम माइनस 73 डिग्री ओके सेल्सियस. सेकेंड बिट का आपका आंसर हो जाएगा, इट इज माइनस 73 डिग्री सेल्सियस. थैंक यू.